Here are some quick tips on how to learn Python programming language effectively. First, start with the basics. Understand Python syntax, variables, and data types. Learn how to write simple programs and run them. Next, dive into Python's built-in functions and libraries. Familiarize yourself with commonly used modules like math, random, and datetime. Practice regularly by solving coding challenges and exercises. Websites like LeetCode and HackerRank offer a variety of problems to help sharpen your skills. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. Learning from errors is crucial in programming. Debugging code builds resilience and improves problem-solving abilities. Explore Python's vast ecosystem. From web development with frameworks like Django and Flask to data analysis with libraries like Pandas and NumPy, there's something for every interest. Engage with the Python community. Join forums, attend meetups, and participate in online discussions. Collaborating with others can provide valuable insights and support. Set achievable goals and track your progress. Whether it's building a web app or mastering a new concept, having clear objectives will keep you motivated. Finally, never stop learning. Python is constantly evolving, so staying updated with the latest features and best practices is essential for growth as a programmer. Remember, learning Python is a journey. Enjoy the process and celebrate your achievements along the way. Happy coding!